Saving with Shay. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow Pow. He's like, look, I have a really awesome deal to share with y'all. I've already done it, so as you can see, it's as big as the smile is on my face that obviously it worked out. So I have 2 deals to share with y'all. I'll try to remember to pop up the people that I saw post these deals, because we gotta give credit where credit is due, of course, you know what I mean? I didn't go out there and find this deal. They did, and I'm happy that they did because they shared it with me, and I'm here to share with you guys. So I'm gonna run in, which we already did, do these 2 awesome deals. I'm gonna walk you through it, and hopefully you can get out there and score too, because the kids are in summer and they're gonna eat you out of the whole house and out of the whole home. And so without further ado, let's go get this deal. So I have this really awesome deal that I saw. I'll have the pop-up who I saw post this deal, but I was like, look, $2 for 6 bags of Tostitos are $2 for 6 bags of Lay's. I was like, oh, I have to do this deal. So the ones that are bringing up for 3 for $7 are the red bag here, the Katina ones, and this one here, the traditional one. So just add them to your cart and see if they are ringing up for 3 for $7, because I did grab a different one. I grabbed this one up here, and it's not. That one's ringing up for regular price, which was $4.59. So I'm gonna grab a total of 6 of them. All right, the total is gonna come to $14, and then we'll get back $2 for each on Fetch Rewards. It's gonna make it $2 for 6 bags, or 33 cents each. You guys, such an awesome deal. I'm gonna be doing the Lay's kettle cooked as well. These are 3 for $7, so we'll be grabbing 6 of these as well. That's gonna be 14, and then the offer for Fetch Reward is $2 for each one. It is a limit of 6, so we'll get back 12, making it 33 cents each. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, because I have a 5 off of 30 food coupon that I'm gonna use. And so let me go grab this last deal, and then we're gonna check out. The other thing that I'm gonna be grabbing is the Briars, and I believe the same person that posted the chips, if I'm not mistaken, posted this deal as well. Now for this, you have to get the Sunday swirls. They have 3 flavors, and they are priced at 2 for $7. Now for this, I do have 2 offers on Fetch Reward. One is $125 and one is $130. And then we also have $2 on Ibotta. So in essence, you'll pay $7, and then you get back a total of $7.10 in rebates, making them both a 10-cent moneymaker, which is crazy, because we literally paid $5 for some ice cream yesterday. And so definitely gonna grab this deal. So let me show you what everything's gonna look like in my cart. It's gonna look like the chips come to 28. So if you wanted to just add 2 extra items, I know we have probably WeStock offers, Hummingbird offers, Aisle offers. We have freebies that you could add to this. But I went ahead and did the ice cream. So the total for all of this is going to come to $35. And then I have the 5 off of 30 that I'm going to be using, which would then bring it down to $30 out of pocket. And then I'll get back a total of $29.10 from Fetch Reward. And then as far as Ibotta, we'll get back $2 for that. It's gonna make everything that you see here free plus $1.10 moneymaker. So I'm gonna go check out, and I'll show you my receipt when I'm done, guys. So really quick, so the chips rang up fine, but the ice creams, they rang up for ignore the Tostito dip that we got for $5. That's why you leave the kids at home. I was like, how am I gonna get all this for this super duper low price and pay $5 for the dip? Yeah, that's why you leave the kids at home. And so the ice cream did ring up for regular price, which was, I think, $4.49. The cashier over there was so freaking amazing. She price modified them for me. She actually price modified them a lot cheaper. Well, they were supposed to be 2 for $7, and she actually put them for $3 each. So that deal is going to be a little bit better. Now, I will say this. When I submitted my receipt to Fetch Reward, the ice cream offer, I only got the $1.30 offer. I didn't get the $1.25 one. And then the offer for Ibotta, I had to correct the receipt and scan the items for it to go through. Um, and so yeah, but other than that, yeah, I did have the receipt corrected for Fetch Reward. So as of right now, I'm only getting back $26 from Fetch. And then 2 from Ibotta. Still brings us to 28. Um, so we paid 30. So even if I don't get the extra from Fetch Reward, it's still gonna basically make 12 bags of chips and 2 ice creams, only $2. I'm here for it. And so with that being said, I hope that you guys go out and score this deal. Again, the kids are in the summer school in the summertime, and they gonna eat you out of house and home. So you might as well get a good deal on the stuff that they eat in. And so, yeah.